Hey guys, Amanda here and welcome back to my channel. So today I thought it would be fun to do like a get to know me video. I know this is kind of lame, but I never did this for my channel and I thought it would be fun if you guys kind of knew a little more about me and kind of why I created this channel. And yeah, so that is what today's video is going to be about. It's not going to be very long and I'm just gonna kind of get into it. Okay, so just kind of a little bit about me. I am 22. I graduated high school in 2013 from Syracuse High School. I graduated from college in May of 2017 from occupational therapy. If you guys don't know what that is, it's kind of like physical therapy, except we focus more on occupations of daily living, like helping people learn how to adjust themselves if they get a stroke, blah, blah, blah. So I graduated from that in May. The program was 2 years and it was a long 2 years. I was in college for 4 years, but the program itself was 2 years. I had a sweet, loving husband who like put me through those 2 years of misery. It was like legit misery. And anyway, glad that part of my life is over with. Now I am working with a boutique called Nisi's Dresses. I will put her link down below if you want to check her out. I got into modeling. I do get this a lot of how long I've been modeling. I got into modeling actually about 5 years ago. It's been a really great opportunity for me. I've gotten the pleasure of working with many amazing companies and individuals who I love dearly. And if you guys are interested, I've thought about doing a more in-depth video about modeling and how you can get into it and what it's actually like, and yada yada yada. Let me know if you are interested in that, or if you're not, let me know in the comments down below. The next thing is my husband. I married Jess 3 years ago on February 20th. Jess and I will actually be doing a Q&A 2 weeks from now. The Q&A was like a requested video that some people asked for. So please ask us questions so we're not just like sitting there like picking our nose or something. I don't know. Because we really will just be like, so how are you? Anyway, yeah. So let us know. So as far as Jess and I go, right now we are in the process of selling our home. So this is the home. Let us know if you're interested. So we're gonna be moving in with our in-laws who are having us stay there during the duration of building our new house. So if the background for our videos is any different, that is why. That is our main goal for 2018, is to get that house like set and ordered and built. It's kind of hard. I never really realized how difficult it is to like plan to build a house. So if any of you guys have any tips for me or like things that I probably wouldn't think of, like let me know. So another big thing that happened this year was we got a cute little poodle. I love her. Her name is Rosie. She's a standard poodle. My family thinks she's like a horse. They think she's like huge, but she's actually like this cute little petite thing, and I love her dearly. She's so fun. So back to the point of why I made this channel. My sweet husband, he kind of forced me into it. He was like, you should make one and just give people your beauty tips or tricks or whatever. And I was like, I'm not even that good at makeup. Like, I don't know. Why would anyone want to listen to me? And he's like, just do it. I was like, no, I don't want to do it. So anyway, here we are. And I will say the first couple go-arounds were like a disaster. I don't think people realize how intimidating it is to like sit here and stare at this camera and like talk to it as if it's like some person. I don't know, it sounds so dumb, but until you do it, it's so intimidating. And like in my last video, I don't know if you saw it, but where I was like, oh, I'm sweating so bad. It gets so hot in here because of how nervous and like anxious I get from making these. So anyway, I just really appreciate everyone who's commented and, you know, kind of encouraged me to keep going, because it is a lot of work and it is challenging, and hopefully you guys have gotten something out of this, whether it's you've learned how to put your hair up, curl, or whatever. Hopefully it's helped you in some way, because that would definitely make it worth it to me. All in all, it's been fun, and I appreciate, again, everything. And so yeah, I would really love to make this video much more in depth for you guys so you can get to know me even more, but I don't know if you guys want to know anything about me in particular, or if you even care to know, I don't know. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you got to know a little bit more about me. Next week I will be doing this eye look that I have on right now, so stay tuned for that video. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you here next week.